Hey people, well today I posted on Facebook the other day that I was going to try to do some YouTube videos. And the reason being was I go on YouTube myself, look up tutorials, see it on Facebook, they scroll through my news feed because of course I've watched them a couple of times and realize, there's not many women out there that look like that. If y'all are watching this video, there's more women out there that look like this. Yesterday was my birthday. I was 46, or I turned 46 rather. Feel pretty good, so I can't complain at all. I actually don't feel a day over 30, in all honesty. Feel pretty good, feel, physically good, feel mentally good. Still have that monthly visitor, and I was PMSing a little earlier today and I ran 2 miles, almost 2 miles, I think. Anyway, feel much better. So I know you women can relate to this. But what I'm going to go over today is some things I was thinking about and trying to create a YouTube video, how it could be helpful. At my age, I have a 16-year-old and a 12-year-old at home. Always looking for ways to save money, but still feeling good about myself and taking care of myself. And something I've always done pretty much is as far as my teeth. Okay. My teeth are pretty white, I think. Go to the dentist, they're not like the freakishly white or anything. No bleaching going on. Don't use any whitening strips or anything. But my teeth are the most natural shade of white there is when they compare it, to the other little teeth and everything. So, what do I do? Well, I can't say I've never used the teeth. This is my daughter. Just 1 second. What?
Do you think you could bring Addie to
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
So, all right. Well, this is real. This is not like I'm going to edit it out. This is my life. That was my daughter. She's got a beta club induction on Wednesday. She wants to bring a friend. So, and that's my dog chewing on a bottle over there. But those whitening strips are very expensive, are they not? And then you get your kids involved, and if you're married, you get your spouse involved, and just way too much money. And then mom usually is the one without the whitening strips, right? When mom was supposed to be the one with the whitening strips. So here's my tidbit of advice for you. To help you save money, which is very important. Buy yourself a pretty blouse, $16 or whatever, because about how much whitening strips are. Peroxide, okay, and baking soda. So this is what we do. All right, about 2-3 times a week, you can use the peroxide on your teeth. Okay, what I do is I take my little toothbrush. I actually wet my toothbrush with it like it's water. And then I have a little separate container for my baking soda because I don't want to be all yuck and everything. Once I put my baking soda in this little Rubbermaid container, this goes back into my refrigerator to make my refrigerator smell fresh. So I put the peroxide on it, put me a little baking soda on it, then I put my toothpaste on it. Because I am getting older, unfortunately, I have to use Pro Enamel, but it could be any kind of toothpaste you want. I think my next one is Arm & Hammer that I have in my drawer. And then that's what I brush my teeth with to keep my teeth white. So I use the baking soda at least once a day. Peroxide you can only use 2 to 3 times a week because it'll make your teeth sensitive. So you don't want to do that. One reason why I also don't like the whitening strips, is because they do wear away your enamel. And when, that makes your teeth extra sensitive as well. So, and the peroxide can make your teeth more sensitive. That's why you only use it no more than 3 times a week. And I know this because I actually had a dental hygienist tell me in a discussion. And one thing I also use is a tongue scraper, and it's by Breathe RX, and it's kind of neat. It's got a a rougher side and a smoother side. So one side's more abrasive than the other. So you can scrape your tongue really well. See, it bends. That's why it's got the little things right here, little finger holes, so it can bend and scrape all the gunk off your tongue, right? So maybe a little bit more information there than what you wanted. But again, save tons of money and just use some baking soda and peroxide. Baking soda every day. Another perk of baking soda is it helps stabilize the pH in your mouth, so it helps control the bad breath. And we all got it, right? Another tip is don't brush your teeth, then drink coffee or a dark soda. After you brush your teeth, you should really give your teeth about 30 minutes to recover from the brushing before you eat or drink anything. In the morning, I'm a huge coffee drinker. So in the morning, I drink all my coffee. If I haven't finished it before I get to work, I'm still drinking my coffee on the way to work and I brush my teeth when I get to work. So that way, it helps protect my teeth so they don't turn yellow from the coffee because I drink lots of coffee and even during the day I drink coffee. So again, that's my tip for whitening your teeth. Now the next tip I'm going to give in my next video, and I want y'all to tell me what y'all think. Oh, and I look like this because I did run on my treadmill. It really did make me feel better. One thing is using eyelash primer and mascara. Um, don't really know if the primer's really necessary, but I'm going to do it just to see, and I'm going to do it on the next video so y'all can see what y'all think, because sometimes we buy things thinking it helps and it really doesn't. So I'm going to bring, and sorry, this whole video thing's new to me, so if I'm not looking at the camera or in the right spot, you got to forgive me. But I want to ask y'all if y'all will please like my video, share my video, and comment on my video. If y'all want me to do a video on something or try a product to see how well it works before you buy it, or maybe I try a less expensive product to see if it works better. I've already got some things in my mind going on. Some things are going to have to take a little time just because of the product I'm buying, and I have to try it out myself personally and show y'all how well it works. So that's going to be some of my other videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is my bathroom, my shower curtain. So hopefully I'll get better at this as time goes on. But anyway, y'all have a great evening, and please share, like, and comment. Thank you.